In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and sync two Airtable bases. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Airtable account in your browser. We'll start from your Airtable Workspace home. Here, look for the base that contains the data you want to share. Open that base so you're looking at the table and view you'd like to sync from. At the top right of the screen, find the option labeled Share and Sync and click it. This is where Airtable keeps all the controls for sharing access and setting up synced tables. In the panel that opens, choose Sync Data to another base. This tells Airtable that you want this view to become a source of data for a different base. You'll now see a setting that says Allow data in this view to be synced to other bases. Go ahead and turn this on. This is an important step because it authorizes this specific view to be used as a sync source. A good tip here is to double-check that this view only includes the fields and records you truly want to share, since everything in the view can be synced. Once that's enabled, Airtable will guide you through choosing where this data should go. You'll see an option to sync it to another Airtable base. Click that, and then you'll be prompted to select a base from your workspace. Choose the destination base where you want the synced table to live. In this example, we'll pick an untitled or empty base, but you can use any existing base where you have permission to add tables. Next, you'll choose the table and view that are going to be synced. First, select the source table, for example, Table 1, and then pick the view you want to sync, such as Grid View. Selecting a specific view lets you control filters, sorting, and which fields are exposed to the destination base. After those are selected, click Next. Airtable may show you some options about how often the sync should update and how changes are handled. Review these briefly and click Next again to confirm your choices. Finally, click Create Table. Airtable will now create a new synced table in your destination base. You'll see the records appear and they'll stay up to date based on the sync settings you configured. That's all you need to connect and sync two Airtable bases using a view as the source.